So we didn't really think, and our plan here was to make the truck open header and see if it has a clogged cat. But I didn't really think, and I started the truck and moved it, and apparently engines get hot when you drive them. So now we have to wait, because I'm not the brightest tool in the shed. I think it's a clogged cat, that's why I'm doing this. I don't know if I said that yet. I might have that. What's that stuff called?
The what?
Huh?
The what?
The orange can. You know the zip tie's not even holding anything? The zip tie was literally like supposed to be holding? Wires. Alright, so I had to, one of the nuts is coming off hard and let big muscle Bobby get at it. Oh, oh my gosh.
I was just breaking it.
Give me this.
What is that, ladder? It's a mini ladder, dude.
Yeah, dude. Section of the exhaust unbolted.
There she goes! I got it unbolted.
It's too big.
I get that a lot.
Here, take it. We got 3 of the 4 bolts or nuts off. I'm on the last one right now. Yeah, it's all rusty as heck, so it takes a little bit to crack it. Dude, Harris.
Hey, what?
Go see if we have like a 2-inch extension.
Okay, guys, Matt Shenanigans here.
Still got that 1 bolt to take off, or 1
Alright,
nut.
guys. Alright, guys, today we're working on my Ford F-150.
F1 shitty.
Why is this such a hoopty?
What is it? Alright.
I can't.
Is it moving at all?
We got Mike here now. He's underneath my truck, trying to get the exhaust out. We got it unhooked and everything. Now it just needs to come out. Which is a problem in itself.
You have a Sawzall?
Yeah.
Caught it.
Alright. Alright, so now that's not, the exhaust separates right here to make it shorter so we can pull it out. That's not coming off. Time to cut it off. Guess not. Whatever. Yellow. Trying to watch, but I'm not about to get more hot metal on my face.
It's off.
Everything's all nice and cleaned up. So what I ended up doing was cutting the exhaust about halfway between. I have 2 inline cats. It goes exhaust manifold. There's 2 outlets, and then 2 down pipes, and they meet to 1 pipe. Then they come down. First cat, down a little more. Second cat, and then my straight pipe dumped right here. So I cut it right about here, about halfway between the 2 cats. So now I'm running only 1 front cat, and it's loud, and I like it. So hopefully it shouldn't break again, or not break, but like it shouldn't foul out like it keeps doing, or if it does, I think it's gonna be a problem with timing, but I don't know, or the spark plugs, but I'm not really sure. Next clip's gonna be me romping this beast. It rips and it's loud.
oh.